potato, green peas, coconut rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut recipes and one of the most nutritious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the green peas recipes. Today we are going to make potato, green peas, coconut rice. The ingredients are 2 potatoes peeled and cut into pieces, around 100 grams of green peas soaked in water overnight, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 6 to 8 shallots, around 100 grams of grated coconut, a spoon of fennel seeds, a spoon of coriander seeds, 3 to 4 red chillies, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamom pods, 1 clove. Into the grinder, put in the grated coconut and the red chilies, the coriander seeds and fennel seeds and cloves and the cardamom. Cloves and ground bell. Heat the pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the onions and the garlic. And the shallots. And the ginger, salt, Saute. rice mixture. Thoroughly mix. Now putting the tomato pieces. Mix. Mix. Put in salt to taste. Pour in 15 of water. Mix. Mix until the water completely evaporates. Sort thoroughly. Put in the potato pieces. Thoroughly mix. Now put in the green pieces to the mixture. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in 300 ml of water. Mix. Let the mixture cook for 20 to 25 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 45 minutes if in an open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, add a cup of washed and soaked rice. Now mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 6 to 7 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes if in the open pan. Now the potato, green peas, coconut rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final potato, green peas, coconut rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most different of the green peas recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.